Let's be honest. When you hear CVT, chances are you're already thinking about repair bills and transmissions that don't last. Scotty Kilmer calls them junk. But here's the thing. Not all CVTs are built the same. With the right engineering, some of these gearboxes can actually go the distance. You're about to learn which 15 reliable SUVs with CVTs actually last. These rides defy the CVT stigma and just keep on running. Let's jump in. Number 15. Buick Encore GX. The Buick Encore GX isn't the flashiest SUV out there, but when we're talking about CVTs that don't quit, the Encore GX deserves a mention. Buick paired its smaller turbocharged engines with a CVT and front-wheel drive models, and that combo is actually a big reason for its reliability. See, the CVT doesn't have to deal with crazy amounts of torque or heavy towing loads. It's designed for smooth commuting, light cruising, and everyday errands. Owners who keep up with basic fluid changes often see these transmissions running strong well past the 100,000-mile mark. And because it's a Buick, you're also getting a quieter, cushioned ride compared to some of its competitors, which makes it a really comfortable long-term daily driver. Number 14. Chevrolet Trailblazer. Next up is the Chevrolet Trailblazer. And no, this isn't the big old body-on-frame Trailblazer from years ago. This is Chevy's smaller, modern crossover that slid back into the lineup in 2021. The Trailblazer might not scream rugged SUV, but it does something really well. It treats its CVT gently. With compact engines and a fairly lightweight build, the transmission isn't constantly being pushed to its limits, and that's exactly what makes it last. Chevy tuned this CVT for efficiency, and for most drivers, it delivers exactly that. You'll experience smooth shifts, decent fuel economy, and a gearbox that doesn't feel strained even after years of stop-and-go city driving. The key here is that the Trailblazer isn't trying to overdo it. It's not pulling trailers or pushing big horsepower numbers. So the CVT isn't under the kind of stress that typically causes early failures. Number 13. Chevrolet Equinox. Now, this one's a little bit different because not every Equinox you see is rocking a CVT. Over the years, Chevy has experimented with different powertrain setups, and depending on the trim and model year, you might find CVT options in play. When you do, they're paired with engines that are more about efficiency than brute force, which is exactly what helps them go the distance. The Equinox has always been marketed as a family-friendly SUV, and GM knows that reliability is huge in that market. That's why the CVTs in these models are tuned conservatively, giving you smooth acceleration without a lot of drama. Number 12. GMC Terrain. Think of the GMC Terrain as the Equinox's more polished twin. Same platform, similar engines, and yes, a CVT in some configurations. The difference is that the Terrain often feels a little more upscale, which means people tend to use it the way GMC intended, as a family hauler or comfortable commuter, not a heavy-duty workhorse. And that's great news for the CVT, because it's dealing with steady, predictable driving instead of constant stress. The Terrain's transmission tends to stay healthy well into higher mileage. GM also built in a fairly conservative tuning strategy, which means the CVT doesn't overreact when you put your foot down. Instead, it keeps the power delivery smooth and controlled, and that measured approach is what allows it to survive long-term. Number 11. Nissan Kicks. Now, Nissan doesn't exactly have the cleanest history with CVTs. Earlier models from the brand had their fair share of transmission complaints. But the Kicks is different. This little crossover runs on a small, naturally aspirated 4-cylinder engine with modest power. And when you combine that with a lightweight body, you end up with a CVT that isn't being pushed anywhere near its breaking point. Owners who stick to maintenance schedules report that these transmissions keep chugging along. And the Kicks has actually built a reputation as one of Nissan's most dependable CVT-equipped vehicles. Number 10. Mitsubishi Outlander Sport. Mitsubishi has been running CVTs in their lineup for years, and while they don't always get the spotlight like Honda or Toyota, they've actually built a pretty solid track record. The Outlander Sport is a perfect example. It's not overloaded with horsepower, and the CVT is tuned more for longevity and smooth operation than sporty performance. That means the belt and pulleys aren't constantly being hammered, which really extends their lifespan. What makes the SUV stand out is how forgiving it is. Drivers who aren't heavy-footed can easily push these past 150,000 miles without major transmission drama. Number 9. Nissan Rogue. The Nissan Rogue is probably one of the most recognizable names when you think of CVTs. And here's the interesting thing. The Rogue almost has two reputations. If you go back to the earlier years, especially the first couple generations, there were a lot of complaints about transmission failures, overheating, and shuddering. But Nissan didn't just sit back and ignore it. They reworked the software, strengthened the hardware, and by the time the latest generation rolled out, the Rogue had turned a corner. Today, the Rogue is seen as one of Nissan's redemption stories when it comes to CVTs. The transmission is tuned for smooth, efficient commuting, and it works in harmony with the modest 4-cylinder engines most Rogues come with. Number 8. Mitsubishi Outlander. The Mitsubishi Outlander deserves more attention than it usually gets. Unlike the smaller Outlander Sport, the full Outlander is a 3-row SUV, so the CVT here has to deal with a bit more weight. But Mitsubishi actually did a smart thing. They tuned the transmission to prioritize smoothness and durability over sharp performance. You're not going to get a sporty, snap-to-it driving feel, but you will get a transmission that doesn't burn itself out trying to deliver thrills it was never designed for. What also helps the Outlander is its hybrid option, where the CVT works alongside electric motors. That setup takes some of the load off the transmission and spreads the workaround, which extends its life even further. Number 7. Subaru Ascent. Subaru has been running its linear-tronic CVTs for years now, and while some older models had their bumps in the road, the Ascent has proven itself as a solid long-term option. The big difference here is Subaru's engineering philosophy. They match their boxer engines to the CVT in a way that balances power delivery. That means instead of the transmission constantly straining to keep up with a heavy SUV, it works in a more efficient, measured way. Another reason the Ascent's CVT holds up so well is that Subaru listened to customers. When people started voicing concerns about earlier CVT models, Subaru extended warranties and put extra effort into making the next wave of transmissions tougher and more reliable. The Ascent benefited directly from that. Drivers who stick to the recommended service intervals are seeing these SUVs cruise past the 100,000-mile milestone without major issues. Number 6. Subaru Outback. Next, we've got the Subaru Outback, and this is where Subaru's linear-tronic CVT really shows its worth. The Outback has long been one of Subaru's flagship models, and it's built around the idea of being a go-anywhere wagon SUV hybrid that can handle long trips, dirt roads, and snowy drives without breaking a sweat. For that mission, Subaru needed a transmission that was efficient but also durable. The linear-tronic CVT in the Outback is designed to work seamlessly with the brand's flat-4 boxer engines, which don't produce crazy high torque numbers but deliver steady, reliable power. This is key because it means the CVT isn't constantly under heavy strain. Instead, it provides smooth, consistent acceleration while keeping engine revs right where they need to be. What really stands out about the Outback is the track record. Owners report these CVTs lasting well into the 150,000 to 200,000 mile range when properly serviced. And Subaru fans are usually diligent about maintenance, which helps explain why so many high-mileage Outbacks are still running strong. Number 5. Subaru Forester. If the Outback is Subaru's rugged, long-distance cruiser, the Forester is the practical, everyday family hauler. And just like its sibling, it benefits from Subaru's linear-tronic CVT design. But here's the thing. The Forester has become something of a poster child for reliable CVT SUVs because of how widely it's been adopted. You'll find Foresters everywhere, and a huge number of them are racking up mileage without serious transmission trouble. Why? Because Subaru dialed in this CVT for balance. It doesn't try to be sporty, and it doesn't try to chase lightning-fast response times. Instead, it delivers steady performance that matches the Forester's personality. Capable, safe, and built for the long run. Foresters also benefit from their lighter weight compared to the bigger Ascent. That means the CVT isn't fighting nearly as much mass, and less stress almost always translates to more durability. Number 4. Subaru Crosstrek. Now, I know it might look like we only picked Subaru for this list, but it's because of how good their CVTs are. The Crosstrek might just be the sweet spot in Subaru's entire lineup when it comes to CVT longevity. It's compact, lightweight, and powered by engines that don't overwhelm the transmission. That low-stress environment is the exact recipe for a CVT that lasts. What's especially impressive is that the Crosstrek manages to blend efficiency with versatility. Whether you're using it for city commuting or light off-road adventures, the CVT handles it with ease. And because Subaru kept the tuning conservative, it avoids the overheating or belt slippage issues that plagued some CVT competitors in the past. There's also the hybrid version of the Crosstrek, where the CVT works alongside an electric motor. That setup takes even more pressure off the transmission, spreading out the workload and extending its lifespan. Number 3. Honda HR-V. Cracking into the top 3, we've got the Honda HR-V. Now, here's a subcompact SUV that proves sometimes smaller really is better when it comes to CVTs. The HR-V doesn't try to be flashy or overpowered. Instead, it's built around a small, efficient 4-cylinder engine that pairs beautifully with Honda's CVT. That's the secret to why these last so long. The transmission never has to fight huge horsepower or towing demands, so it's basically working within its comfort zone all the time. Hondas also deserve credit for learning from earlier hiccups. When they first started rolling out CVTs across the lineup, there were concerns, but by the time the HR-V settled into the market, Honda had refined the technology. The result is a gearbox that feels smooth in everyday driving and, more importantly, holds up under long-term ownership. Plenty of HR-V owners are comfortably driving theirs well past 150,000 miles without ever touching the transmission. That kind of longevity isn't an accident. It comes from Honda building a system where the engine and CVT complement each other perfectly. So while the HR-V might not be the most powerful or luxurious SUV on this list, it earns its spot in the top 3 by being one of the most worry-free CVT-equipped vehicles you can own. Number 2. Honda CR-V. Let's step up to the Honda CR-V, one of the most popular SUVs in America and a true benchmark for reliability. The CR-V is bigger, more powerful, and more versatile than the HR-V, but what's impressive is how well its CVT handles that added responsibility. Honda tuned this transmission to prioritize efficiency and smoothness, making it one of the most refined CVTs on the market. What makes the CR-V stand out is how consistently it performs in real-world ownership. Families use these SUVs for everything from commuting, long-distance road trips, even light cargo hauling. And yet the CVT holds up. It's not uncommon to see CR-Vs cross the 200,000-mile threshold with their original transmission still running strong, provided the fluid changes were done on schedule. That kind of track record is exactly why so many people trust the CR-V as a long-term purchase. Honda's attention to detail also shows in the way the CVT pairs with their engines. Instead of feeling sluggish or strained, the CR-V's transmission delivers power smoothly and predictably, which keeps wear and tear to a minimum. For anyone who wants an SUV that balances size, practicality, and a transmission built to last, the CR-V is hard to beat. Number 1. Toyota Venza Hybrid e-CVT. Taking the number 1 spot, it's the Toyota Venza. Now this is where the game changes because Toyota doesn't use a traditional belt and pulley CVT in the Venza. Instead, it uses what's called an e-CVT, a planetary gear system that blends the power of a gasoline engine with electric motors. And here's the kicker. This design is far more durable than the standard CVT. There's no steel belt constantly under tension, no pulleys that wear out under stress. Instead, you've got a rock-solid gear set that's been proven in Toyota hybrids for decades. This is the same system you'll find in the Prius, the RAV4 hybrid, and Lexus hybrids, and it's built a reputation for being nearly bulletproof. Owners routinely push these transmissions well beyond 200,000 miles without major issues, and the simplicity of the planetary gear design is a big reason why. Plus, because the electric motors share the workload, the gasoline engine and transmission both get to take it easy compared to conventional setups. The Venza combines that bulletproof drivetrain with Toyota's hybrid reliability and comfort-focused design, making it not only one of the smoothest CVT experiences, but also the longest lasting. If you're looking for an SUV with a transmission that you'll never have to worry about, the Venza and Toyota's e-CVT system are as close to a sure bet as you'll find. That's why it's sitting at number 1. Which of these 15 SUVs made your shopping list? And which one have you owned before? Let us know in the comments.